Hello, students. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are also well by the grace of Almighty. I am here to take another online class for class 9 and 10. Again, this is English 1. Actually, this is the pandemic situation, that's why we have to stay home, and for this reason, we are not attached with the school and teachers and the students. So, I am also fine. Again, I am giving thanks to our honorable Prime Minister for her sincerity about our student. Now, I am starting my class. I am Joyashree Chakraborty, Assistant Teacher, Choradi Union High School, Ranirhat, Bakirganj. Today, we will discuss about English first paper for class 9 and 10. You are seeing some pictures of some famous people, famous poet. They all are known as a famous poet. And first picture is Rabindranath Tagore. The second picture is Michael Madhusudhan Dutt, and the third picture is Kazi Nazrul Islam. My question is, who is the sonnet writer out of them? Can you imagine who will be the sonnet writer? I hope you can give the answer. Yes, Michael Madhusudhan Dutt. Michael Madhusudhan Dutt is a famous sonnet writer. So, today our topic is The Return of the Native, Unit 12, Lesson 3. Learning outcomes of the lesson. After this lesson, the students will be able to talk about the pictures, listen for specific information. You will come to know about so many information about Michael Dutt. Read and a text and find out informations. Make WS questions. Infer the word meaning from the text. From the text, you will come to know so many unfamiliar meaning for you. Now, let's get some information about Michael Madhusudhan Dutt. He took education from Europe. He wanted to be like an Englishman. He wrote many English poems and dramas. He was not appreciated for his deeds. He felt for his motherland and returned home. So let's watch a video about Michael Madhusudhan Dutt.
এসে গেছে দত্তবাড়ি। এ বাড়িতেই জন্ম মধুকবির, এখানেই বেড়ে ওঠা। ঐতিহাসিক এ বাড়ির কথা দেশবাসী তো জানেই, জানে ভিনদেশীরাও। প্রত্নতত্ত্ব অধিদপ্তরের তত্ত্বাবধানে ইতিহাসখ্যাত এই দত্তবাড়ি মধুকবির নানান স্মৃতিচিহ্ন বুকে নিয়ে এখন দেশের আকর্ষণীয় এক পর্যটন কেন্দ্র। দাঁড়াও পথিক বর, জন্ম যদি তব বঙ্গে, তিষ্ঠ ক্ষণকাল। বাংলা চতুর্দশপদী কবিতারই জনক কবিতাতেই দিয়েছেন নিজের পরিচয়। বাবা আইনজীবী রাজনারায়ণ দত্ত, মা জমিদার কন্যা জাহ্নবী দেবী। দত্ত পরিবারের পূর্বপুরুষদের আদিনিবাস ছিল পশ্চিমবঙ্গের হাওড়া বালিতে। মধুসূদনের পিতামহ রামনিধি দত্ত সাতক্ষীরার তালা জনপদ থেকে এসে বসতি গড়েছিলেন যশোরের এই সাগরদাঁড়িতে। মধুসূদনের বাবা রাজনারায়ণ দত্ত তার 3 ভাইকে সাথে নিয়ে সাগরদাঁড়ি এবং আশপাশের এলাকার জমিদারি কিনে প্রতিষ্ঠা পেয়েছিলেন সম্ভ্রান্ত জমিদার হিসেবে। এ জায়গাতেই সদ্য ভূমিষ্ঠ মধুসূদন প্রথম পৃথিবীর আলো দেখেছিলেন 182 বছর আগে 1824 সালে। এখান থেকেই শুরু ঘটনা বৈচিত্র্যে ভরা এক বর্ণাঢ্য জীবন কাহিনীর।
From this video, we come to know about so many information about Michael Madhusudan Dutt. Actually, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, popularly known as Madhusudan, was a celebrated 19th century Bengali poet and dramatist. He was born in Shagodari on the bank of the river Kapotakho, a village in Keshopur Upazila under Joshua district. From an early age, Dutt aspired to be an Englishman in form and manner. Though he was born in a sophisticated Hindu family, he converted to Christianity as a young man, much to the ire of his family, and adopted the first name Michael. In his childhood, he was recognized by his teachers as a precious child with a gift of literary talent. His early exposure to English education and European literature at home and his college inspired him to imitate the English in taste, manners, and intellect. I think from this you come to know about about Michael Madhusudan Dutt. You see the Michael Madhusudan Dutt's residence, the river, and his statue, and so on. Now let's familiar with the word aspire. What does it mean, aspire? Actually, this is a picture. You see that she aspired to be a great artist in future. The girl is very much passionate in his painting. That means what will be the aspiration or aspire means hope for, dream of, long for, wish for, desire, and want. You can use any of them. The next was ire. Look at the picture. The lion is very much ferocious, looking very much ferocious, and the rat is very much nervous. So let's read the line. The lion was showing his ire as the mouse awoke him. That means lion is in a very angry mood. So what is the meaning ire? That means anger. Another word, imitate. You also find this word in the text. The boy is imitating the man. See, the boy wants to be like the man. So what is the meaning of imitate? Means the action of using someone or something as a model. The next word is compose. The poet Shamsur Rahman is composing poems. Shamsur Rahman is one of the famous poets in our country. So, what does it mean, compose? Write or create a work of art, especially music or poetry. adolescence. Look at the picture. I think you know him very well. He is Sachin Tendulkar, but this is his picture of teenage. This is not the recent picture. From his adolescence, Sachin Tendulkar was a very good player. So, what does it mean? This adolescence means teenage years. What do you see in the pictures? I think now you can give the answer correctly. The first picture is about what? The first picture is about Michael Madhusudan Dutt's residence. In the previous video you were watching it. Now the second picture is about Kapotakko river and the third one is about his statue. Listen to the audio about Michael Madhusudan Dutt and choose the best answer. Let's start the audio. Please listen carefully. After listening, you have to give the answer.
Michael Madhusudan Dutt was a popular 19th century Bengali poet and dramatist. He was born in Sagurdari on the bank of Kapotakko River, a village in Keshapur Upazila, Jashore district. His father was Rajnaran Dutt, an eminent lawyer, and his mother was Janvi Devi. He was a pioneer of Bengali drama. His famous work Meghnad Badh Kabya is a tragic epic. It consists of 9 cantos and is quite exceptional in Bengali literature both in terms of style and content. He also wrote poems about the sorrows and afflictions of love as spoken by women.
Now, please help me by giving the answer. Can you tell me? First question is Michael Madhusudan Dutt father was a what? What was he? I think from the audio you can understand you can get the answer. His father was a lawyer. The second question is he was a pioneer of. What he was about the pioneer of? He was a pioneer of Bengali drama. His famous work Meghnad Badh is a. From the text you can get the answer also. When you are reading the text there will be the answer. The Meghnad Badh is a tragic epic. He also wrote poems about the sorrows and afflictions of love. Now read the text in the book and write the following questions. First question. How was the reaction of Michael Madhusudan Dutt's family when he took Christianity? What was his attitude to his root in his adolescence? Why did he compose Kapotakko Nod? I think when you will read the text or after reading the text you will give all the answers. Next class I will ask these answers. Michael Madhusudan Dutt composed a sonnet in Bangla named Kapotakko Nod. It's a very famous. I want to recite this poem. I hope you will enjoy. So let's start. Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Kapotakko Nod. Shototo he nod তুমি পড়ো মোর মনে শতত তোমার কথা ভাবি এ বিরলে শতত যেমতি লোক নিশার স্বপনে শুনে মায়া মন্ত্রধ্বনি তব কলকলে জুড়াইয়ে কান আমি ভ্রান্তির ছলনে বহু দেশ দেখিয়াছি বহু নদ দলে কিন্তু এ স্নেহের তৃষ্ণা মিটে কার জলে দুগ্ধ স্রোতরূপী তুমি জন্মভূমি স্তনে আর কি হবে দেখা যতদিন যাবে প্রজারূপে রাজা রূপ সাগরের দিতে বাড়ি রূপ করো তুমি এ মিনতি গাবে বঙ্গজ জনের কানে শখে সখারিতে নাম তার এ প্রবাসে মজি প্রেমভাবে লইছে যে নাম তব বঙ্গের সঙ্গীতে. I hope you are enjoying this poem. Actually, this is all about the our class, and now I want to give you the homework. The homework will be how the story of Michael is related to the unit theme roots. The unit is also another actually lesson 1 in root also. Now you have to make a similarity. What is the similarity between the roots and the Michael Madhusudan Dutt topic? So stay at home, stay safe, take sanitizer, use mask everywhere. Thank you. I hope you are enjoying the class, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.